After visiting Nikoto Shoku in part 1 of this series, here we are, arrive at the main highlights of this Hong Kong-Japan family trip. Akeha Onsen. It's an onsen with over 300 years of history, and you can see what this living museum feels like in this video.
Nice.
But before settling in, I wanted to see if Casey, who is 11, could guide us to the rooms with a map that was only in Japanese.
Who has the map?
Here.
Casey, did you get the map? Okay. Yeah. Can you see where the elevator is?
What is this?
Elevator.
I think it's here.
咦？你吸？多次？
你先看。
OK，順利。
I'm pressing it.
By the way, the interior here is very unique, isn't it? The footage earlier of the main hall may have been too dark to see. I was lucky to get another look in the morning while waiting for the families to get ready.
Hey, this is one room. 207. And
Oh, yeah?
206 is that.
Yes. 207 for you guys. 4個嘅。
Maybe it was too dark inside, so Shizuka hesitated to open the door.
やってみないと分かんない。なんでよ。
Oh, thank you.
なんでよ。ちょっと邪魔。
どうぞ。お。わあ。
It's kind of small, but good.
Yeah, it's good. 八卦你間房先。何入れてる？
トイレどこって聞かれて。
ああ。トイレあそこ。Thank you。いる？ちょっとね。うん、差唔多大少少你哋。哇，你哋大少少。嗯。你4個人可能係。
你哋唔係4個咩？
3個。
係細啲㗎。
Cheers. Thanks.
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks for
Yeah.
driving.
Damian, stay away. 1, 2, 3.
David, stay away.
Okay, let's change and go back.
Okay.
Do we need to wear our shoes?
No.
A few things to mention for anyone interested in this onsen. The plan we chose was about $90 per adult and $45 per child. For an extra $20, you can use one of these kashikiri, private baths, anytime during your stay. A good option if you are traveling with your partner or family. The plan also included dinner and breakfast, buffet style in the dining hall, with a kominkafu irori theme, like a traditional farmhouse hearth or fireplace.
This is where you hook the pan. This helps the pan to hold on place. So you can put it up and then move this thing
Okay, okay, okay. I
up
see.
and down.
Cool. いただきます。
Although it's not mentioned on the English website, from the Japanese side, you can see this onsen is highly recognized. It ranked number 1 nationwide in sales on Rakuten Travel and has been the best-selling inn in Tochigi for 15 years straight. And in 2025, it was even ranked number 1 in all of Japan for customer satisfaction. Anyway, after a good bath and dinner, we headed back to the room to chill out, and the kids tried to play a prank on Oki right away.
안에 파판 없다면 이렇게 했잖아요. 그래.
嗯。Okay,
有陣時有整爛嘢。
we prepare a show for you.
Oh, fuck.
Whatever.
Damian.
Oki and Shizuku learn a new game today.
16.
One. Place the button.
3, 4,
5.
13, 14,
15.
16.
You never
I
lose.
didn't do it.
After everyone went to sleep, the three of us had a quiet moment to catch up, especially since Oki and Ivan hadn't seen each other since the pandemic.
You know,
Seems like baseball is most dangerous.
For now.
most dangerous is baseball. Yeah.
The morning in the countryside, the sounds, the smell, the air, is always refreshing. This onsen feels not only like a living museum, but also a time capsule itself. After the onsen, we swung by another popular spot in Nikko before heading back to Tokyo, Gegong Waterfall. That will be part 3 of this series. Until then.
Yeah. Keep joy.